So here we are inside the 19RD. This is a 2024 on a 2023 chassis, Ford E350. This has the upgraded display and the upgraded dash. This is built on the 7.3 liter V8 with the select shift 6-speed torque shift transmission with tow haul. Very powerful for the size of this coach in terms of its operation. Yeah, so spacious cab design here, lots of leg room, lots of cup holders, some storage space here. And here we are. So nice big windows, which brings in a ton of natural light, a spacious rear dinette. This will be mounted by a lagoon table attachment. The benefit of this one here is it can move at any angle. You can keep it out of the way here. If you'd like, getting in and out makes it a lot easier. And alternatively, you can bring it over here if you want to have additional space when you're cooking. So it's adjustable height with the lagoon table, like I was saying, and that will basically increase your prep area, work area in the kitchen here. So with this kitchen, you've got two large farm style sinks, sink cover on there as well, and then the pull-out sprayer on these, hot and cold. 3-burner range, high output on the front here, as well as a good size oven there. That's from Dometic. It's a Furrion over the range here, and microwave, standard microwave. It's also got a lot of interior space here. As you can see, it's fully equipped with dishes, cups, with room to spare. This is a pretty decent depth. And then moving on here, large sleeping space over the cab, equipped with windows on either side. These are insulated windows, standard dual pane, and that lends itself to that 4-season insulation. So speaking of which, that 4-season insulation is really something that sets these motorhomes apart from most, being built in the Pacific Northwest, made for the Pacific Northwest climate, as opposed to, you know, some of the others that are built down south that might not have the same tolerances. So yeah, a lot of space here. Realistically, similar exterior length of a van, with way more overhead cabinetry, way more storage capacity than you're gonna get in the van. I'll show you into the bathroom here. So this is what we call a wet bath. A wet bath will have the shower and toilet together, similar to what you'd find in the Class Bs. This is a porcelain foot flush toilet. Nice, easy to clean, easy to wash up in here. Toilet paper cover for when you are showering, and then furnace vent in there as well. Keeps things nice and cool. Medicine cabinet in behind there, as well as a push-out fan to keep the ventilation. Bit of a squeaky door. Here we got some hanging storage in behind here. Nice capacity. And this is a Dometic fridge. Freezer compartment there. And this will show you that that is a 2-way that will run on LP gas as well as electricity. So your standard 2-way RV fridge. There's your furnace outlet here, as well as a big bank of drawers down below here. Full extension drawer glides here. and some pretty good deep depth as well. So there you have it. This is the Adventurer 19RD. My name is Stephen Wong. I'm a sales consultant here, specializing in the motorhomes. And this is a very unique motorhome. I'd love to go through further details here with you. I'd be happy to set up a meeting wherever you are. Look in the description for my contact information. I'd be happy to meet with you and go through these details here. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.